Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinwe's kitchen. I trust that you all are doing well. Today's video is on how to make delicious native jollof rice, Nigerian palm oil rice, super easy. Now these are the ingredients. You'll be needing rice. You can see I have a lot of chopped onions there. I like to use a lot of onions because of the flavor. To the chopped onions, I have grated ginger and garlic. I have palm oil there, blended crayfish and ogiri, sliced tomatoes and fresh pepper. There's parsley in the bottle, dried parsley, and there's curry, seasoning cubes, turmeric, thyme, and salt. There's also fish, dried prawns, kpomo, and chopped beef. Let's get started. Okay, I started by adding water to the pot. From this water, when it gets boiled, I'm going to use it to soak the rice. I do not parboil the rice. The water is boiling now, so I'm going to add a little of it, like I said, to the rice. I'm adding the hot water now, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to stay for some time while I continue with my cooking. To this boiling water, I'm going to add my palm oil. You have to be generous with the palm oil. It also depends on the quantity of rice that you're preparing. I'm going to allow this palm oil to cook properly. It has to cook very well. So I'm going to cover it up and give it some time to cook. Now that it is boiling very well, I'm going to add the rice. Palm oil rice is my favorite. Yes, I don't get tired of eating palm oil rice. And this period where tomatoes is quite expensive, it's just a very good substitute. It's easy to prepare, less stressful. Yes. So I'm going to allow it to boil before I add up the rest of my ingredients. It's boiling very well now. So it's time for me to begin to add my ingredients. The first thing I'll be adding is my sliced tomatoes and fresh pepper. Next, I'm going to be adding my grounded dry pepper, followed by Cameroon pepper because I want this native flavor and I want it to be hot. Yes. Next, I'll be adding my blended crayfish. I like to use a lot of crayfish, and in the crayfish I also blended ogiri to it because I just like the flavor that it gives it. I'm going to stir, followed by my chopped onions. I like to use a lot of onions. So with the onions is also the garlic and the ginger. Followed by salt, turmeric. If you don't want to add turmeric to yours, it's optional. Just spice it up the way you would love it. Thyme, curry, and the seasoning cubes. So I'm just going to stir and I'm going to test for salt. The salt wasn't enough, so I'm just going to add more. Followed by my dried parsley. This is optional. I also like the taste that it gives it. I'm just going to stir and test for salt. The salt is okay now. I'm going to be adding my dried prawns, fish, kpomo, and chopped meats. So I'm just going to stir. Everything should mix up properly, and then I'm going to allow it to cook. Okay, it's cooking now. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Now the water has dried down, and I had to test to see if it's soft the way I would want it. I like my native jollof rice to be soft, so I'm just going to add meat stock, just a little meat stock, because the rice is almost cooked. At this point, you can add vegetable. It could be ugu, which is pumpkin. Some people add scent leaf. Any of those is fine. Now the rice is cooked, and you can see how yummy, how inviting and delicious this is looking. So I'm just going to give it a good stir so that everything will mix up very well. So please, if you enjoyed watching and you find this video very helpful, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and leave me your comments, and also share the video as well. Okay, so it's ready to be served. Now this is me serving it very hot. I enjoy eating my palm oil rice when it's hot. Yes, it's more interesting when it's hot. I want to thank my new subscribers. I also want to thank my friends, who have been here with me. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you. I also see people sharing my videos too. Thank you very much. I'm grateful. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Thank you so much. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.